How's it, guys? Welcome to another Triple F outdoor adventure. As you can see, it's cloudy. This morning's nice, cloudy and rainy, so should be a good morning. Kayak is just loaded, so see you in the water. Hello guys, welcome. We're back on the water here in the Durban Bay. We've got a southwesterly wind blowing, luckily not too strong this morning, coming from my back, so I paddled all the way into it to fish with the wind at my back. So I'm on the southwesterly side of Centre Bank. The tide is about 2 hours after low tide, so it's a rising tide, and that's the plan, is pushing tide until later this afternoon to see what happens. So yeah, we're going to be seeing if we can't get another grunter, maybe a GT, maybe a big flatty. Let's see who's hungry. The water clarity is nice and clean, so it'll be an interesting session. Stay tuned, and remember, like and subscribe if you like the channel, and click on the coffee link below if you want to buy me a coffee. Cheers guys, see you a bit later. Yep, and so the rain is coming down. It's fine, as long as the wind plays along. Stay tuned. And we're on. I think I've got kingies all around me now. Yep, little kingy. Nice. A little big eye. There we go. They're all around us now, so you can get another one on this 9 weight, and then I'm gonna, if they're the same size, then I'm gonna go to the 7 weight and play with the 7 weight with these guys. I think I'm gonna go 7 weight in a floating line. Oh, on, nice. Oh, I don't know if he's still on. Oh, no, he's off. Damn it. Oh. Another hit. On. Good. Oh, beauty. Look at that head shake. Another kingy. Big eye trevally or green spot. Whoa. Beautiful and awesome on the 7 weight. Get on the neck, get control, and then releasing quickly. Lying on his side. Hey. Oh, there we go. And the fly came out as he is in the net. What's this little jit? No, a little big eye. Beautiful little fish. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. The 7 weight, a lot of fun. There he goes. Beautiful. Let's see if we can get another one here. A lot of fun on the 7 weight. This DFO is doing a job, and it's well worth coming out in this weather, getting a bit of wet rain, hunting these guys. Stay tuned, let's see if we can get it. Little bait fish here. Shoal here right in front of me again, whitefish bowl. See if we can get something that want to eat. Don't know where those little trevallies went to. Hopefully we'll get another shot at them. They're tremendous fun here on the 7 weight. Nothing. Look again. Okay, well, we've got something on. It came up. Follow the fly, and then I dropped the fly back, and he came around and he came back for it. It's pulling on this on a 9 weight. Let's see what we have here. Might be another trevally. If I look at the head shakes. Well, it's got some. It's a bit bigger than the ones I had before. This is a nice one. Oh, this is a beauty. Oh, little GT. Oh, no. Oh, there we go. Yeah, little Jeets. Control over him so we can get the hook out. So this little guy followed the hook in to fly up from, there we go, little beauty. He followed the fly up from deep and then came down, came up to take it. So awesome little fight. So yeah, let's see if we can get more. So 3 species already for the morning, for the day. Awesome. So we've got more weather. It's rolled in now, but the wind has changed now. The wind is now coming east. It makes it a little bit more difficult, more challenging. So we're going to be working into the wind, working onto the flats a bit still, and then see how it goes. But slowly but surely we're heading back. It's 3:45 anyway now, so it's been a good session already since this morning. Let's see, depending on the amount of rain we get tonight, I might come back tomorrow. Well guys, that's it. Just crossed the channel. This easterly wind has now really changed the dimensions of the bay, so I'm going to call it. Rain is not an issue. Like you guys saw earlier, fished in the rain, paddled in the rain, no problem. But the wind becomes an issue if you have to anchor and play around. So like, it's a good session. I can fish 3 species, fun and games, good exercise. So yeah, I can't complain. Stay tuned for the next one. Remember to like and subscribe, share with your friends. Cheers.